Hey everyone, and welcome back. Just started with Asana and feeling a bit lost? In this video, I'll show you the top mistakes beginners make on the free plan and exactly how to avoid them. First, don't create too many projects right away, beginners. Often make a new project for every tiny task. This creates clutter. Instead, use sections within a project to organize different types of work. Second, don't assign tasks to the whole team. Always assign each task to one specific person. This is called a single assignee, and it's crucial for knowing who's responsible. Third, use due dates and priorities. Task without a date or priority flag will get lost. Get in the habit of setting a due date and marking urgency as soon as you create a task. Fourth, don't ignore the My Tasks list. This is your personal to-do list, automatically sorted by due date. Live in this view to stay on top of your own work. Finally, don't skip templates. Asana's free plan has great pre-built templates for common projects. Use them instead of building from a blank project to save hours, and that's it. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you'll master Asana's free plan much faster. If you've made one of these mistakes, let me know which one in the comments. See you in the next one.